greeting and welcome. In the previous lecture, we have learned homogeneous differential equation. Now in this lecture, we will see the non-homogeneous differential equation. First, the definition of non-homogeneous differential equation. An equation of the type dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2, where this a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are some constant. And in this, if you have a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, then there is some common factor in numerator and denominator. You have to put that common factor equal to u. That equation reduces to variable separable form. If you have a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, then there is some common factor in numerator and denominator. You have to put that common factor equal to u. We'll take the example. Say dy by dx equal to 6x minus 4y. 6x minus 4y plus 3 upon 3x minus 2y plus 1. Now if you observe this, what is a1 upon a2? It is 6 by 3. 6 by 3, that means 2. Similarly, what is b1 upon b2? Minus 4 upon minus 2, and that is nothing but 2. If you observe, you have a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. Then what I say? There is some common factor in numerator and denominator. See here, from the numerator, if I take 2 common, it is inside the bracket 3x minus 2y plus 3. Similarly, in the denominator it is 3x minus 2y plus 1. So there is one common factor, that is 3x minus 2y in numerator as well as in denominator. We'll put that common factor equal to u. Differentiate this, it is 3 minus 2 into dy by dx equal to du by dx. And from this, if you find value of dy by dx by mathematical algebra, you will get dy by dx equal to du by dx 3 minus du by dx. If I transfer this 2 to the right hand side, it will become 1 by 2. This is value of dy by dx. What I have done? Transfer this term to the left and this to the another side. So you will get 3 minus du by dx into half. Substitute this value in this equation. You will get half in bracket 3 minus du by dx equal to 2u plus 3 upon u plus 1. First we will transfer this half. It is 3 minus du by dx equal to, this is in the denominator, it will be multiplied to the numerator. So it is 4u plus 6 upon u plus 1. Therefore, from this, if we find value of du by dx will be equal to 3 minus 4u plus 6 upon u plus 1. What I have done? Transfer this minus to the another side, it will become plus, and this to the left hand side. Now if we will take LCM, du by dx equal to 3u plus 3 minus 4u minus 6 upon u plus 1. 3u minus 4u is minus u. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3 upon u plus 1. We can take minus sign common. It is u plus 3 upon u plus 1. Now we can convert this into variable separable form. It is u plus 1 upon u plus 3 into du equal to minus dx. Variables of u on one side, variables of x on another side. Now in this case, degree of u in numerator as well as in the denominator is same. So there are two methods to adjust. Some people will directly adjust the denominator in the numerator, or in the next example I will explain you with the help of actual division. Now it is easy to adjust this denominator in the numerator. We can write down this as u plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1 upon u plus 3 into du If I'll transfer this minus to the right hand side, it is plus dx. Integrate this, say equal to c. U plus 3 will get cancelled. You will get integral of 1 minus 2 upon u plus 3 du equal to integral of dx is x equal to c. Integral of 1 is u minus 2. Integral of 1 upon u plus 3 is log of u plus 3 plus x equal to c. Substitute value of u. U is our substitution. U is what? 3x minus 2y. If I substitute 3x minus 2y minus 2 log of 3x minus 2y plus 3 plus x equal to c. So this 3x and this x will be 4x minus 2y minus 2 log of 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to c. If you want, you can divide throughout by 2 and your answer will be 2x minus y minus log of 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to c. And this is the solution of the non-homogeneous differential equation. See, once you have a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, there is some common factor. Put that common factor equal to u. Equation reduces to variable separable form, which after integration gives us the solution. Okay, we'll take the next example. Say dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 upon 3x plus 6y minus 1. Now if I'll find a1 upon a2, that is ratio of coefficients of x, it is 1 by 3. Similarly, if I'll find b1 upon b2, this is equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. So what you have? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. Now if you observe the numerator, this can be written as x plus 2y minus 3. Similarly, if I'll take 3 common, it is x plus 2y minus 1. Now, if you observe what is the common factor in numerator and denominator, it is x plus 2y. So, your substitution will be x plus 2y equal to u. This implies 1 plus 2 into dy by dx equal to du by dx. Therefore, value of dy by dx is du by dx minus 1 into 1 by 2. Put this value in the above equation. It is 1 by 2 du by dx minus 1 equal to u minus 3 upon 3u minus 1. So, du by dx equal to 2u minus 6 upon 3u minus 1. Minus 1, if we will transfer, it will become plus 1. Therefore, du by dx equal to, take LCM. If we will take LCM, it is 5u minus 7 upon 3u minus 1. If I will convert this into variable separable form, it will be 3u minus 1 upon 5u minus 7 into du equal to dx. Variables of u on one side, variables of x on another side. Now again, degree of u in numerator and denominator is same. So you have to adjust the denominator in numerator. I will explain you the another method, that is actual division of polynomials. Now if I divide 3u minus 1 by 5u minus 7, we want 3. We don't want 5. So I will consider the quotient as 3 by 5. If I multiply 3 by 5 to this factor, you will get 3u minus 21 by 5. Take their subtraction, minus plus. Plus 3u minus 3u will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 21 by 5 is 16 by 5. Now we know the relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, that is 3u minus 1 equal to quotient. Quotient is 3 by 5 into divisor, that is 5u minus 7 plus remainder, that is 16 by 5. If I'll divide throughout by 5u minus 7, this 3u minus 1 upon 5u minus 7 will be equal to 3 by 5u plus 16 by 5u into 1 upon 5u minus 7. काय केलं आहे? What we have done? Divide throughout by 5u minus 7. Now substitute value of 3u minus 1 here. You will get integral of 3 by 5u plus 16 by 5u into 1 upon 5u minus 7 du equal to integral of dx plus constant of integration c. Now if I'll integrate this, it is 3 by 5u u plus 16 by 5u. Integral of 1 upon 5u minus 7 is log of 5u minus 7 upon 5u equal to x plus c. Now in this we'll substitute value of u, that is 3 by 5u u. U is what? Our substitution, that is x plus 2y. X plus 2y plus 16 by 25u log of 5x plus 10y minus 7 plus x. If I'll transfer to the another side, it is minus x is equal to c. Some people will further simplify this, but this is the procedure to solve the system. I think I am clear to all of you. We'll take one more example. Y by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 upon 2x plus 2y plus 1. Again, if you observe, a1 upon a2 equal to 1 by 2. b1 upon b2, that is coefficient of y, that is again 1 by 2. So you have a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. What is the common factor in the numerator as well as in the denominator? It is x plus y. Put that equal to u. You will get 1 plus dy by dx equal to du by dx. If you substitute these values, you will get du by dx minus 1 equal to u plus 1 upon 2u plus 1. Plus 1, transfer it to the another side, du by dx equal to u plus 1 upon 2u plus 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Therefore, take LCM, du by dx equal to u plus 1 plus 2u plus 1 upon 2u plus 1, that is 3u plus 2 upon 2u plus 1. If I'll convert this into variable separable form, it is 2u plus 1 upon 3u plus 2 into du equal to dx. Variables of u on one side, variables of x on another side. Now if I carry out actual division of polynomials, 2u plus 1 divided by the factor 3u plus 2. We want 2. We don't want 3. So the quotient will be 2 by 3. So it is 2u plus 4 by 3 minus minus plus 2u minus 2u cancel. 1 minus 4 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. So again, if you use relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, you will get 2u plus 1 equal to 2 by 3 in bracket 3u plus 2 minus 1 by 3. So this will be 2u plus 1 divided throughout by the factor 3u plus 2 equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 1 upon 3u plus 2. If you substitute this value in the above equation here, you will get 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 1 upon 3u plus 2 du equal to integral of dx plus c. Integrate this, it is 2 by 3u minus 1 by 3 into log of 3u plus 2 upon 3 equal to x plus c. We'll substitute value of u and take 9 as LCM. If I'll take 9 as LCM, it is 3 into 2, that is 6. What is value of u? U is x plus y minus log of 3x plus 3y plus 2 minus 9x is equal to C1, where C1 is equal to 9C. Taking 9 as LCM. 6x minus 9x will be 6x minus 9x will be minus 3x minus log of 3x plus 3y plus 2 equal to C1. This is the solution of this non-homogeneous differential equation. I hope you understand the procedure to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation. Thank you for watching the complete video.